In this video we will be going over some of the basic tools and settings for isometric drawings in LusoCAD 2024. As an exercise, we will be recreating this geometric shape and the isometric plane. First, in order to draw an isometric shape, we select Ortho mode and snap objects. By right-clicking on it we can check the settings, where we will select isometric snap in the snap type options. For ease of drawing, we also recommend checking midpoint, center, quadrant and intersection in the snap object window. This will allow us to draw more quickly and precisely. As you can see, this object is comprised of 3 parts, 2 cylinders of different size and 1 isometric cube. We will start by modeling the cylinders. To do this, we begin by drawing the circular base, using the ellipse tool. Once we select the tool we have to indicate IsoCircle in the command box and use the F5 key on your keyboard to switch between the isometric planes. Since this circle is on the horizontal plane, we select the top plane. We now select the center and radius of the IsoCircle, in this case the diameter is 500. Now we will switch to the line command to extend the cylinder in the vertical plane. Remember to switch to a vertical isometric plane before drawing. We will give this cylinder a height of 2000. Now we can quickly draw the top portion by copying the base circle using the copy tool and selecting the base and second point, which will be 2000 to match the height. Let's finish the top cylinder. Using the same method as before, create an ellipse with a diameter of 300 and use the line command to build the height of 1000, copying the base to finish the top. Now it's time to draw the cube. Starting from the center of the cylinder, each side will have a size of 2000. We switch the planes and start drawing. Once the cube is complete, the object is finished. Now the only thing left to do is use the trim command to trim any unnecessary lines. Now we notice that some extra lines are necessary to convey the union between the objects. This is as simple as connecting the already created drawings on specific points, as seen on screen right now. To finish the drawing, let's annotate some of the dimensions of this object, to ensure a quick and simple reading of our drawing. Under the Annotation menu, select Dimension and pick the portion of the drawing you want to annotate by selecting its initial and end point. Now that all desired dimensions are annotated, we can align these labels with our isometric angles, as right now they are not isometric. To do this, we use the Dimension Edit command, by writing DE and selecting oblique. Select the annotation and set the desired angles, in this case they are 150, 30, and 90 for the vertical labels, which have already a 90-degree angle. And now, after annotating the original object's dimensions, we can confirm that we successfully recreated the model using these easy and quick tools.